Hi guys! In today's video, I'm showing you how to change name on TikTok account. The process of changing name on TikTok is straightforward and effortless. All you have to do this in your mobile. Open your TikTok application. After it open, take a look on the bottom of your screen. You will see different options like home, friends, plus sign, inbox, and profile. Tap on this profile icon. And if you take a look on the top of your mobile screen, you can see the option, add name with plus sign. If I tap on it, here you can also write your new name on TikTok. And after writing the name, tap on the option save, which is on the right top. And the second way of changing name on TikTok is, go back from here by tapping on this cancel option. And in the middle of your mobile screen, you can see these options edit profile, share profile, and a profile icon with plus sign. Here tap on the option edit profile. After tapping on it, here are different options like name, username, and bio. Tap on the option name, and this is my current name on TikTok. Simply clear this one and write the new name for your TikTok account. After writing the name, tap on the option save, which is on the right top, and here you can see the option. You can only change your nickname once every 7 days. So be careful while writing your new name because you can change it only once in the week. So after confirming it, tap on the option, confirm. As you see, my name on TikTok has been changed successfully. So it was basic way by which you can change your name on TikTok.